Mama Akwaba, what frame Adjoa searching Mesno. Now was subscribing to my channel. Me a notification bell no so for more news.
1 million votes. Prophet Mahama e de lusu sa. Na Mahama se won tiase ye. Mahama Penny the only president. In fact, the year 2000 elections. Yeah, President Kufuor, then candidate Kufuor, a beauty Professor Mills Cropole. Yeah, I said that until the baby say, Papa J, I can say, one hand over. One no part no kind of bonte say, Kufuor pe baby, yeah. One no Cropole, yeah, until the baby say, what would dim come say, one hand over power, Emma Kufuor. Yeah, auntie. Mahama Pet, and that 2016. Ye taste what yes sir. Ye no kwan wan ka so hand over power. Na so obegia tumu no. Se obegia tumu no. Na amana ye fe no. E no mpe so obegia tumu. Ye no sa na ye te ye. Ye te ye evidence wo ho e ma otu fo kwa UN General Assembly. E ko kan ho e wo New York.
Emma abri oye na adwen so obegia tumu no. Or the condition eto se vice president fia wo timi ye fanche no. Emma
what you car no you have the plane ebe fight for Accra e Kumasi menhia ono ne was our record no
oh I think yes central region okay
yes say
theory kosona hwese bitimi a confirm okay all right
kwaku afi MPP e wa abamu ya to aba 2 weeks in here John Mahama e winning elections no hands down. Transition a cat say will be win elections as some of them dim combo. Or my penny Kufuado, Afre. In fact, before my penny Kufuado befriend. Na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Less than 16 hours. What Fred John Mahama. And my congratulations. Publicly.
In fact, Nana Kufuado, cra brio de frame Mahama. A castle mushe transition arsenal.
Na
any penny be can say, eh. Na man pen no or pentuma hand you over no akohin e de pamono a wo pentuma hand you over
yes
ni nyina yo mana som dwintia
yes am wa friend na Major Mahama ba Jubilee House and na go round and let the kuma I recall the first day when they met omo the dim komo kama ya te transition team obi ye na djuma. All of a sudden, all of a sudden, Abodamfo being in Ghana and the neck of one person behind over.
And
Kwasaki can see, you see, saying, I don't know my Yasumji. Baby, your my Ghana dream.
In fact, 2020 election crab is in your mama and to me, and ye. And I could find down to man for phone pan friend and one
friend.
But seen the one consider defeat. One consider near the Supreme Court. After Supreme Court in Bueno, so one consider defeat. Or more Sambe did judge for not a more BCN. And I could find and so Mahama winnie. First thing, but me consider you are on a friend or must say a transition process. I say, now when young crow for Mako school, and I know when young crow for Mako school to the highest level. That was say intelligence, Kwaku. You can say security intelligence, I just say, Tete for Jumabi, ya, Tatafi, ya, Bedodona, idea what to do when you are to say ready, no crack. Intelligence, it's any say. The Nekufado, Empress, hand over, Major Mahama. And then, but damn, you be that to baby, ye also air security, say. MPP 4% omo assassin oh and the asofo na chase
na asofo abodamfo ni bi akeka sanse nsebo no say na ye prefer say obayi omo person kunjo Mahama
Africa dey say na Kufuor the person declare state of emergency
na ya no ntina omo sheda ma Mrs. Mensa ekoye esa koye ye nya recollection
me committee asin to omo
recollection omo to aso mom ko yesa collation no omko wie collation no na e can this for so call ho and then before call ko clash ya na ko de no I declare state of emergency abodam se monto bobo ye nyina ni
say ye kokokura ntumi de ne ye be ko ho awia na ye ni wi a ne ya bada okofodua bi kokofodua be de pa
catch and say
for the abe ho be de papa
yan disappoint no
nti
but we know muncha mame
ene we here invitation
yes I call you rebefi
that one go permission
eti sisu biem na muncha ho
I say usu ene dey aba say honorable gift to Mampofo MP for Buakando we were say consequence on the consequence egagafi almost say Ochina 24th. Omu here okukrentumi. Na okukrentumi no so de okukrentumi ni kofodua de ekwanwa. Ochina so kofodua eho edewu. Tie se ye okukrentumi ni sa no de a na de ya beda kofodua. Na 25th anopetutu na say bankran. Ani be ye be e bankran 25th.
Be di bronya no.
Yeah. Because ontimi nyi efiefo na ni bronya. Ha ntina de 25th no say anopetutu ne aba be dun kan enti we no ya frɛ honorable Clement
Yeah.
enti honorable Clement so ye gi permission man wo ha
ana as wa kase ni yan so he be kwa kodin kuma
beko kuma so okay enti we ye gi permission man honorable Clement wo ha say say ene no kokukrentu me no enti o say wusu ka kire honorable give chuma for say say onwum bi wo ho ka kire mo ye ba edu anajo ayena enti kokrentu me for ene ebuakano for ye beba
ba ma ha ye do
yebeba eno so enwum hwan ne
Sefia, like I mean ya na wo dwene ho amesi as you were different place and now say
obi ade yan ko stopping kofo
Sefia yes obi ade o they are doing it. What's national TV so ama wa wunia captain to ho oh me kokko stop o wantimi ahu sabi ankan
who so what stop you obi to stop you.
That's what I'm saying, but don't say o kasa he dare not Sefia, I'm telling those people no more yes and say and then Samuel Uku make a statement okay ni bro o kwa yes and obi o to ho bekum
that be my example class abronya mo time na no mo jeje nkofo ka say me na wo ba me fie na mkutatu
bekum exactly
the right to self defense.
Yes, because se ofi se mafa ade na wo me ho no unlawful afa me court.
Exactly.
But why so do open? Because say the biya na ya menuanu Muslims no, I pity them. Mama ye yusu money ade mo ye wallahi watai like I mean come on and you maybe wo ha ya mean ade we ya wo ye na wo television so ye bejiwe wo ye obi e bi kra nipa na wo ye ne sa na wo ye ndisi ni oto aba ma so but let's say
before ya na to my NDC
exactly but you say omo nu omo ho ene NDC fo bi na for omo say ya nu e ho ye je nim say to trasem say ya na mba be ya obu okra na Steph, sometimes you need a quiet environment to operate. To be tense, ya kwasi ha gigi panicking. Mesre wo mo say, eti aban no blame na enye yie. Enti na aban ne said the Baumia president elect a cho say, osre wo mo a. Ono do okasa o mbetie adentia because now no they know it's on the president. Say if President Mahama catch any crop for say eye ade na mo ye no mo say ma ban no mo ma mentimi operate anyoma mo say no mesa ba ba ye scanner na me ba ba ye timunyai step here trust me they will stop. You think say President friend nyami say onya de oye na trust him na onyai obejai but there's somebody out there also mukutupa I don't think na na man for kase ebia Mahama na e show mo chi mesre say asumdue na peace mra ya to obawie enyina mfa mpa bontanechi se ochechichechi MPP for na yen MPP for no kra be boaye because bad na tabe wura party nim omo manyi omo ho tam no mo mfirim yanchi omo ngum but as you said enough of evidence way enuti na doctor say kiyenye digital ye transact sikama wa yenye ne cashless he ene mama typical example